will be doing videos on microcontrollers, flight controllers, designing mini games using Python platform, and also on improving communication skills. Before going to the topic, we discuss how to download the Python editor for learning the Python programming. Lots of students don't know this. Just go to the Chrome, search for download and then you can see the fast link. Open the fast link, scroll down. Here you can see install and open this. Click on that. Here it's for Windows, download Python 3.7. For Mac, download Python 3.7. After downloading, close it. Open Anaconda and agree all the terms. It takes some time. After opening it, launch Jupyter Notebook, which is best online Python editor. Here you can see, go to new. Here you can see Python 3. This is the platform where we can use it to do coding. This is the title where we can say, here we can do programming like giving x equal to 10, later print x. Here it is the run option which we can use to see the output. Okay, let's close it. Yeah, leave. Now we go for the main concept. I think all of you know basics of Python, which is easier than other languages. All of you know basics of Python, but we don't know how to use, where to use. So I'm here, you don't worry. These generation children are more interested in games, so I choose to do programming for creating games. Let's start from mini games like rolling dice. I think many of you played Ludo game in this quarantine, so I choose to do this. Before I'm going to this, I want to share some important points. Lot of students don't know how to solve programming problems. The main thing in the problem is, first we have to understand the problem. Second, we have to think about it. Third, we have to write the algorithm of the problem. Fourth, we have to write the main logic and start doing coding. Start working on it. Fifth, if we have any errors, modify it. These are the 5 important points to solve the problems. Now, now the question is how to develop the program on rolling a dice. The question is develop a program on rolling a dice. I think you understood the problem. Now think about it. What we need to do the problem. Mainly we need dice. First, the main thing we need is dice, and later random number. Later we have to do looping. These are the main thing we have to develop a program on dice. We completed 2 things. First, we understood the problem. We have think about. Now write the algorithm for it. Main thing, first we have to develop random numbers, because we don't know when we roll a dice we get a random number like 1 from 1 to 6. Develop a random number. Second thing, check the number. Third, print the face. We need to print the number which we got. Fourth, looping. We don't know how many times we roll a dice. We completed algorithm. Now write the main logic and start working. It is the 4th point. Let's close it. Open the Anaconda. Launch Jupyter Notebook. Open new. Open Python 3. Give title for this. Rolling a dice. Just save it. Now we go for code. Import random. It is a method which is used to print random numbers up to infinite. Now initialize it with giving random x equal to random dot random. Now print it. Print the x. Let's check what the variables we get while printing. If we run it again, see here the numbers changed. Here it printing a random numbers like floating points. But in the dice we don't have floating points like 0.6. We have only 1 to 6. So we have to change here random to int. Rand int means we can print only integers. Now let's check it. Oh sorry. Oops. Here we have to give range. So then we can print the random numbers between them. See, here it gave rand missing 2 required positional arguments A and B. So let's give the range Let's check from 1 to 6 because on dice only 1 to 6 numbers will be there. So now let's check it whether it print the numbers between 1 to 6. Yeah, see, you can, here it's 2, it's 1, 4. See, we completed develop a number. We have developed a number. We checked the number. Now printing the face of the dice. Now keep this aside or else remove this. Let's create a face of dice. Let's initialize x equal to 1. Give the condition if x equal to 1. Now we're creating the dice face. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Print. For creating we use this. Enter. Print. Same thing we have to do. Let's keep capital O between this so we can identify this as 1. Now let's run the program whether it works or not. Yes, you see it's 1. This is the dice. Now we have to print random numbers, so we don't know whether which number we get to roll after rolling a dice. Same like 1. Create the 6 faces of dice like this. I have created 6 faces of the dice. Now just we checked for x equal to 1 to print the dice number 1. So now we check for random number. So we have to type here random dot rand int. Sorry, rand int. For the sake of integers we have to give int here. Now we have to select the range between which number we have to need. Actually dice need only the range between 1 to 6. Now let's check it whether it works or not. Run. Yeah, it's 4. Next, it's 4. See, it's working. Just run it. Yeah, now 5. Now 6. It's working. We completed the main thing, which is face of the dice. Now we don't know how much times we roll a dice, so we have to loop it. Fourth thing, looping, the main thing. So create a while loop. Enter while. Before it, let's give y equal to a equal to y means yes. Now write a loop while x a equal to y. Now print it. So change this. Just keep the whole thing this coding. While loop. Rolling a dice is user choice, means like whether we can roll it next time or else we can stop. So we give, let's a equal to input y or yeah, means whether if you say yes, dice will go and roll again, or if you say no, it will stop working. Let's check. Yes, it's asking whether we have to roll it again or not. Enter. Yes, we have got it. Again it's asking why. Yes, yes, but see here we printing only 2. What's the reason? Just think here we gave the number on the while loop, not in the while loop. So clear it. Give inside this x equal to random dot rand int 1 to 6 range. Now let's check it whether it works or not. This is the main code. Just see it and work it. Easy and best. Okay, bye guys. See you soon.